Today is January 2nd, 2023. We're on Rush River Drive, taking a look at more damage around Sacramento. This tree came down and fell in the street, and from what I understand, there's a car on the other side, but wow, quite a tree here. There's more of it. So I hear you're out helping the neighbors trimming these trees.
Yeah, well, we had a lot of trees go down in the last storm, so I figured I'd go help out and pull my saw out of retirement and have some fun.
It's not even your house.
No, not at all. Just driving by and saw it, and actually another neighbor started on this one and posted on the Nextdoor app. He's actually at Home Depot right now, and we're out here just helping people out.
Well,
he's pulling up now.
Thank you very much for being such a great neighbor.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Have a fabulous day.
You too. Thank you.
This is the Sacramento River at Garcia Bend, and it's a good 10 feet higher than normal. It was clear this morning, and there's clouds coming in now. In 1997, the water was about 2 feet below that levee up there. So we still have a long way to go before we have any flood concerns.